Okay, now we shall pass on to the 12th one. Govind, Gopal are the partners. Rahim is admitted. That is old profit ratio equal to Govind, Gopal, Rahim. Govind, Gopal, Rahim. Rahim. 5:4. Old profit share. Five is to 4. The total is 9. Therefore, 5 by 9, 4 by 9. Here, they admit Rahim as a partner. Govind surrenders 2 by 9 of his share in favor of Rahim. Gopal surrenders 1 by 9 of his share in favor of Rahim. You should read the lines very carefully. Sacrificing share. Govind is sacrificing. Govind surrenders 2 by 9 of his share. Gopal surrenders 1 by 9 of his share. Very carefully. Here, the question is, Govind sacrifices 2 by 9 share and Gopal sacrifices 1 by 9 share. It does not give like that. 1 by 9, 2 by 9 share கொடுக்குறாங்கன்னு சொல்லல. Govind 2 by 9 is giving of his share. அவருடைய ஷேர்ல இருந்து 2 by 9 கொடுக்குறாங்க. It's very important. Gopal is sacrificing 1 by 9 of his share. Therefore, 1 by 9 into 4 by 9 here, 2 by 9 into 5 by 9. Must be very careful. This is equal to 5 into 2, 10 by 81. Here, 4 by 81. So, what is sacrificing ratio? Is equal to 10 by 81 is to 4 by 81, which is equal to 10 is to 4. Denominators are equal, therefore numerator we can write. Further, this can be simplified. 5 2s are 10 and 2 2s are 4. This is the sacrificing share. Problem number 12. 5 is to 2. Must be very careful, this is very important. What about the new profit share? What is the new profit ratio? New profit ratio is equal to, the idea is the same, but method differs from problem to problem. New profit ratio, how to find old minus sacrifice. This you should remember. To find new, we should minus sacrifice from old. Old minus sacrifice. Old share is 5 by 9 minus sacrificing share 10 by 81 is 2. Old share is 4 by 9. Sacrificing share is 4 by 81. And these two are got together by the new partner Rahim. How much? He get 10 by 81 from Govind plus 4 by 81 from Gopal. And now this we can write 10 is to 10, 81 the same denominator, 10 plus 4, 14 by 81. Here we cannot do so. Convert this denominator into 81. This 9 must be multiplied by 9. 9 into 9, 81. 9 5s are 45. Only if we multiply this by 9, we will get 81, the same denominator. So numerator also by 9. 10 by 81 is 2. 9 9s are 81. 9 4s are 36 minus 4 by 81. Now you minus 45 minus 10, the denominators are equal, we can minus 35 by 81, 36 minus 4, 32 by 81, this is 14 by 81. The denominators are the same. Now leave the denominator, write the numerator alone. 35 is to 32 is to 14. This must be the new profit ratio of these these three partners. Problem number 12. So 32 is to 14. We shall pass on to the 13 now. Prema and Chandra share profits in the ratio 5 is to 3. Hema is admitted as partner. So what is here? Old profit ratio is equal to, who are the three partners? Prema, Chandra, Hema. Prema, Chandra, Hema. 5 is to 3. This is ratio. Then what about share? Old profit share. 5 is to 3, therefore 5 plus 3, 8. So 5 by 8, 3 by 8. And how much is sacrificed? By whom it is sacrificed? Prema surrendered 1 by 8 of her share and Chandra surrendered 1 by 8 of her share. So, sacrificing share. is equal to Prema surrenders 1 by 8 of her share. 1 by 8 of her share. And Chandra surrenders 1 by 8 of her share, 3 by 8. Very important, later. Prema surrenders 1 by 8 of her share, that is 1 by 8 into 5 by 8. Chandra surrenders 1 by 8 of her share, 3 by 8. How much it is coming? Multiply the product. Multiplication is different from addition and subtraction. In addition and subtraction, if the denominators are equal, we can just add the numerator and we will write the same denominator in addition and subtraction. But here you see subtraction, addition, the same is there. But here in the product, numerator with the numerator, denominator with the denominator. 5 into 1, 5, 8 into 8, 64. 3 into 1, 3, 8 into 8, 64. Therefore, sacrificing ratio is equal to, since the denominators are equal, this we can write in the form of the ratio. 5 is to 3. 5 is to 3. Now we must find the new profit ratio. New profit ratio. How to find, you know that? Old minus sacrifice. Old minus sacrifice. Old one, 5 by 8. Sacrificing one is 5 by 64. Old one is 3 by 8 for Chandra. Sacrificing share is 3 by 64. Then is 2. How much Hema is receiving from Prema? 5 by 64 is received by Hema, and from Chandra 3 by 64 is received from Hema. So 5 by 64 plus 3 by 64 totally Hema receives. Okay, this is equal to. Just now I said, here the denominators are equal, so we can write 5 plus 3, 8, 8 by 64. Here the denominators are in these two terms not equal, so change it into, convert this into the same denominator. If you multiply 8 by 8, you will get 64. 8 8s are 64. 8 5s are 40 minus the same 64, 5 by 64. Here also you should convert this into 64. 8 8s are 64, 8 3s are 24. 8 denominator and numerator by 8. 8 8s are 64, 8 3s are 24 minus 3 by 64. Now you can simplify 40 minus 5, this is equal to 35 because the denominators are equal. 35 minus 64. Here also the denominators are equal. 24 minus 3, 21 by 64 is to 8 by 64. This is, since the denominators are equal, we can write the numerator alone. we can write the numerator alone 35 by 64, 21 by 64, 8 by 64. Therefore, the ratio is 35 is to 21 is to 8. This is the new profit ratio. There is some speciality in this problem. I should recall you to listen to it very carefully. There are three partners, Govind, Gopal and Rahim. The Rahim is the newly admitted partner. The old partners are Govind and Gopal. The ratio is 5 is to 4. Therefore, we can write 5 by 9, 4 by 9. And this, how these two partners, Govind and Gopal, are giving their share, that is sacrificing their share to Rahim. There is a condition. Govind is sacrificing 2 by 9 of his share. 5 by 9. 2 by 9 of his share. Gopal is sacrificing 1 by 9 of his share. 1 by 9 into 4 by 9. So you can write 10 by 81, 4 by 81 dash. Simplify. This is the sacrificing share. What about sacrificing ratio then? This is 10 by 81 is to 4 by 81. Simplify, since the denominators are equal, 10 is to 4. Again, if you simplify by 2, 5 2s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 5 is to 2 is the sacrificing ratio. Now we must find new profit ratio. How to find the new profit ratio? We should find the new profit ratio. How? From the old we must minus sacrifice. Old one is 5 by 9. Sacrificing share is 10 by 81. 5 by 9 minus 10 by 81. Likewise for Gopal, 4 by 9 minus 4 by 81. That's what I have written. For Rahim, sacrifice made by Govind 10 by 81. Sacrifice made by Gopal is 4 by 81. Therefore, totally 10 by 81 plus 4 by 81. I said that these two are minus, whereas this is added. Why? You must remember this Rahim is the receiver, whereas Govind and Gopal are losers. Since they are losing something, it is minus. Since Rahim is receiving from both Govind and Gopal, we are adding it here. Regarding this Rahim's case, the denominator is equal. Therefore, we add the numerator and write it 14 by 81. But these two cases are not with the equal denominators. We should convert this into equal denominator. Convert this 9 into 81. 9 9s are 81. Therefore, by the same 9, the numerator, 9 5s are 45, 9 9s are 81. So, 45 by 81 minus 10 by 81 is to 9 9s are 81, 9 4s are 36. So, here also 81. Now, all the denominators are made equal. So, 45 minus 10, 35 by 81. Here also denominator equal, 36 minus 4, 32, 32 by 81. This is 14 by 81. Therefore, 35 is to 32 is to 14 we can write, because the denominators are equal, we can leave it. Yes, so we pass on to 13, the same model, but the idea is different there. Where here Prema and Chandra are the two partners. Hema is admitted, and what is the old profit ratio under Prema and Chandra? 5 is to 3. Their old profit share is 5 by 8, 5 plus 3, 8, therefore 5 by 8, 3 by 8. See, what is the sacrificing share? Prema is sacrificing 1 by 8 of her share. 1 by 8 of 5 by 8, that is 5 by 8 into 1 by 8. Chandra is sacrificing 1 by 8 of her share. 1 by 8 of 3 by 8. 1 by 8 into 3 by 8. Now you simplify, multiply 5 by 64, 3 by 64. And the sacrificing ratio will be 5 is to 3. New profit ratio. What is new profit ratio? Old minus sacrifice. How to find new? Old minus sacrifice. Old 5 by 8, sacrifice 5 by 64, therefore 5 by 8 minus 5 by 64. Here old, Chandra's old share 3 by 8, sacrificing share 3 by 64, 3 by 8 minus 3 by 64. Here Emma is the receiver, she receives 5 by 64 from Prema, 3 by 64 from Chandra, on the whole 5 by 64 plus 3 by 64, we are writing it again. Then these two are same denominator, add and write. Here this 8 64 different, 8 64 different. So what we must do? Convert this into equal denominator. When 8 is multiplied by again 8, we will get 64. 8 8s are 64, 8 5s are 40. 5 by 64, you write the same 64. 40 minus 5 is 35. Here the same 64, 24 minus 3, 21. Here 8 by 64. Since the denominators are equal, write the numerator 35 plus 21 is to 8. That should be the new profit ratio of Prema, Chandra and Hema.